Before we start, I'm just going to demonstrate the advantages of Your Team Look with modules. Modules are different sections of content, and you can move these modules into different sections of the site just by clicking and dragging them. So we separate them all. You can even stack them, actually, all more than one in each section. And we have a storage section also. You can add a header to each module. And the features that Home Teams Online have, we have also here with the editor and everything. And then you can go to preset modules, which is our biggest feature, and be able to use the ones that we've made, like the video player and the media guide and everything else. These are things you've probably seen on other sites. So let's get started. Let's click on the HTO Edit homepage, and that's going to bring up your admin of your edit homepage. And what we want to make sure is on the top here, you want to make sure that sidebar A, sidebar B, main A, and main text B are all checked, and you're going to hit Save Modules. You should also make sure they're in AB order. And then we're going to scroll down, and we're going to click Edit here. And we're going to scroll down a little farther, and you'll see the archived story to news. And we're going to click on that. Now, if you don't have that button, we'll show you what you can do on another video. But this one, you're going to click OK. And it's going to archive it to your news, and we'll show you later how to retrieve that. Now, we're going to do the same thing for B, so we're going to get rid of that content. And we're going to show you real quick how to get the sidebar stuff. And we're going to do that in the debug. But before we go to the debug, I just want to show you, if you don't have content in A and B, well, nothing shows up. So we're actually going to be back here, click Edit on A, and just type in an A, and hit Submit Changes. And we're going to do the same thing with B. And we'll scroll down and click Home Text Debug again to take us back to this. Now, this is where all your code is. And as you can see, all of our sections are here. And we're just going to erase the A and the B out right here. Okay, and then we're going to go down to the next section, and we're going to copy and cut, we're going to cut this out and put it into a module in Your Team Look. So right click, hit cut, and then just minimize this page. Please do not close it. Just minimize it, hit module, new module, and then hit HTML debug. And then I want you to change this to say side A in the name section here, just to give it a name. And in the content section, you're going to paste the content that we cut. Hit submit, and you're going to do the same thing for B. And as you can see, we've already done that. So side A, side B are here, and if you want to drag them in, that's fine, but we're going to do that later. Go back to Code and Settings. Click on Home Page Placement Code, and I want you to highlight and copy the very first red code here on top. This is for main A. Now bring back up your code section again in your admin, and as you can see, everything's blank now. And in text 1, we're going to paste the code. Now, we're going to do the same thing in 2, and I'm going to show you, so you don't have to keep going back and forth, a quick way to do this. We're going to paste the same exact code, except I'm going to bring you in and show you. You're going to change this A over here where it says Module A. You're just going to change the A to a B. And you're going to come down here, you'll paste the same exact code, if you can, and you're going to change this one from an A to a capital S and a small a. And then you're going to come down to the last one here, paste the same code, change the A this time from a to a capital S and a small b. And now your code is done. Just go down to the very bottom. I'll pull this up here a little bit and hit Update Text Files. Now your code is in and it's ready to go. And in the tour, we will show you how you can retrieve the content that we archived to the news and have your site looking nice.